So, ayan guys, yung aking binalot-balot na, ayan na yung aming Christmas tree, tsaka gift. Oh. Mas marami yung red dyan. Ha? Ito?
This one's for me. You have one here.
Yeah, just leave there. So, ayan na ang aming nabalot. Hanggang doon yan. Ay, hindi ko pa pala nalagay yung carpet doon. Yeah. Until then.
I think there, that one is yours. That one.
Yeah. Ito, nabalot ko yan. Binalot ko yan. So, ayan.